Hey everybody, welcome to Sky's World. Today we're going to do Avalanche Mountain Kid. This is my mom. Mom.
Hi.
Her name is Mom. Mom.
That's my official name, Mom.
My official name, Mom. But actually her official name is Jenny, but don't tell anybody. It's a secret. Now for this is what the box is. It's Avalanche Mountain Kit. The type of science, right, if you see the box, there's the avalanche on the mountain. Now, this type of science this is snow hydrology. What does that even mean?
I guess we'll find out.
It means the study of snow?
Yeah,
well,
much.
this is the
water.
box.
Yeah, and how it
As
works.
you know, we already opened up. So this is empty. This is empty. So let's
read the
just start
instructions?
the instructions. I'm pretty sure. Step 1. We need to cover the work area with newspaper or sheets or towels of paper with towel
we'll
or wear old clothes to smock. Yeah. Then all we gotta do is place a spoonful of instant
the snow powder.
Instant snow powder.
Into the mountaintop.
Into the mountaintop. But I'm pretty sure we're going to attach it to this.
Okay.
Should we attach it there first?
It doesn't say to. Okay.
Alright, open it up.
So we can open this.
Pour it into the little spoon of freedom.
All right. See if we can open this without dumping it everywhere.
Yeah, she's probably gonna dump it everywhere.
Too late. I already dumped it a little bit. All right.
Dumped it everywhere.
So get a scoop. Oh, you want me to dump it in? I can do that.
Dump it down.
Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
Okay.
Spill a little bit.
That's okay.
Pour it into the top. Remember, it's a mountain, not a volcano. Okay?
Now what?
It's a mountain. All we gotta do.
What's it say to do next?
Next is step 3. Add 4/5 ounces. 4 little ounces. 4 ounces? 4 ounces.
4 ounces. Okay, so look on your measuring cup. We already have some with water on here. So you see 4 ounces on there?
Yeah.
It's half a cup. Room temperature water to the snow on top of the mountain. And then we'll watch it expand. Well, that's easy enough.
We need to put it on top of there.
Yep.
Let's just squeeze. You just need to squeeze it on there.
All right, you want to slowly pour the water in?
Squeeze it on there.
You want to pour half a cup?
Half a cup. The whole half a cup?
Well, I would, let's see here. We have more than half a cup in here. So I'd say if you pour it to about there, that's about half a cup, okay?
Pour it to the half a cup.
No. See how it's there? Pour it down to that line. And that'll be about half a cup.
3/4.
Keep going. Pour a little more.
Oh.
There, it's expanding. Pour it into the snow and it'll expand up. Make an avalanche. Oh, no, you're going way too much.
Oh boy.
Well, that didn't really work.
Still expanding.
Huh. Kind of disappointing, actually.
Total fail. Look at the slush. Oh my gosh. This is so messy. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, it didn't really like bubble over the side like it showed, like an avalanche.
Whee!
What happens if we add a little more to it?
No. Don't. No, don't. You're gonna ruin it. Let's just make it. That was a fail.
Not a fail, it wasn't super, they made it seem like it would bubble over with snow and it didn't really.
But hey.
Do you want to put some more in there and try it again?
More?
More snow.
Oh, I thought you said more water. And I was like, Can you see the mess? I think we have enough.
Okay.
More?
All right, now try it again,
More?
but slow. Whoa.
Whoa! It was working. Add a bit more. Oh, uh-oh. Come on.
It looks like they can only hold so much water.
Uh-oh.
It's cool how it expands, but it doesn't really like bubble over like an avalanche.
Come on. Oh. Uh-oh. I think I've overdone it again. Oh, no.
I like how it turns from kind of clear to white like that. That's cool.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Oh yeah, look, it's slowly starting to turn white.
Well, I feel like we have enough snow.
But this stuff is like almost too saturated. Look, it's kind of like a clear
Look
gel.
at this.
It's
Like
not turning
gelatin
white.
for hair. This is the new hair extensions.
No, don't put it in my hair.
Let's explode.
It has a cool texture, huh? Ooh, it feels good to kind of squish it.
Oh, look. Boom. Mountain's been destroyed. That's not fully about what it's supposed to do. Let's just put it.
Kind of a satisfying feeling, huh, to squish it?
Oh, yeah. It's the best thing about snow. It feels so good.
Do you think it feels like real snow?
No.
Not really, no.
No.
It's too like grainy feeling.
Feels like a tortilla.
Oh, it looks cool in the cup though altogether.
Yeah.
It does look like snow.
Oh, some slush. What do we do with all this slush?
I don't know. I wonder if it dries back into a powder if you just let it be. We could try that. We could just let it sit
Yeah.
and see if it would dry back into a powder. Like once the water evaporates.
Ah! This is so satisfying.
Well, what do you think? Cool or kind of lame?
A little bit lame and a little bit cool.
I'd agree. Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't quite as good as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
But it wasn't horrible.
Kind of a little disappointed, but it's not that because of its experiment. You know what's really disappointing?
What?
That these people haven't liked and subscribed yet. It's
So what should they do,
I
Scott?
can't bel-
What should they do?
They should like and subscribe.
And smash that like button.
Oh, and also, but smash the subscribe a little bit harder. So I don't have, yeah. Oh.
Watch this. Ooh.
I can make an even
Oh, that
bigger.
feels cool.
I'm
Try
making
it.
an even bigger one. Watch.
Scoop a bunch of it up and then just squish.
Oh, it's like a noodle.
That feels cool.
Here. Got
Here's a big handful of it. Watch.
Oh,
That's very satisfying.
thank you.
isn't
Oh, wait. I can also make it like a sneeze. You want to see it? Like,
All
achoo!
That would be a horrible sneeze if that was real. I hope that never happens to you.
All right. Let's do it on the Avalanche.
Like a fake barf, like.
That's not how it works. You want to see my barf?
You know what's weird about it though? The more that you squeeze it, the less snow-like it gets. Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
It's like it's compressing the water into it. So it's getting more like gel-like again.
Yeah. It's like... I can make it like a blizzard just blowing. It's like...
Yeah, don't get it everywhere though, please. It's definitely starting to look less like snow now. It's turning more into the gel. I would bet What would be your hypothesis, Scotty? Do you think if you let this sit, that the water would evaporate out and it would get back into like a powder?
I think it would actually get into a powder.
I think it would too. I think then you could reuse it.
Still.
You saved it. They might have been right about putting the paper down though. This is pretty messy everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, we should have listened. This is so satisfying.
Yeah, it is.
Woo! I could literally play this all day.
Just squish it.
Now I'm gonna do it on your
No,
face. Yeah. All right, just ready for the glob.
Well,
And
would you recommend the Avalanche kit to viewers at home?
yeah.
Yeah.
Should we
Give it a
send
try.
it? Send it.
Oh, not on my clothes.
It's got on my clothes.
Make a
See?
little snowball though. Look.
Oh, it's a snowball. Oh wait, can I try it? Can I see? Is that a little bit more to it? There we
Make a snowman.
go.
Make a snowman with it.
Oh yeah, there we go. Roll it up. It's the perfect snowball. Ha ha! It feels so weird. Feel. It's like a pot, pat,
See
pat.
if we can make a
Pat,
snowman.
pat, 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 pat. Bloop, 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 bloop,
Okay.
bloop, bloop,
Yeah, this could be the head.
bloop, bloop.
And that could be the body, right? We need one more. Let's get some more of this here. Make a snowman.
The body?
Well, that's not very
That
nice.
doesn't work.
You just
Does-
squished it.
Well, I can make the head and roll up to the snowball.
So much for that.
Yeah. It's been 12 minutes. And we're still not done playing. A little bit
Okay,
of...
we'll make the next part of the body.
And I'm making the head.
Ooh, it just kind of squishes. You can make a head.
The head.
Yeah, you can't squish it so hard. It just wrecks it.
I'm like piano.
Alright, guys.
Wait, can we trap it?
Well, guys, I'd say maybe give it a try if you see it out there. It'd be worth
Yeah.
it. I don't think it's super expensive,
Unless we
right?
break them all.
But not the greatest in the world, not the worst in the world. So what do you think? It's time to sign off?
Sign off.
See him again next
Means
time?
sign out.
See you for our next science experiment.
Yep. Unless if we use them all.
All right, bye guys. See
Bye.
you later. Bye.
Fill the snow.